guys, I'm Brenda and welcome back to another video on SugarPinkDIY. And in today's video, I'll be sharing with you 5 reasons of why having your washi tapes on a notebook like this is a good idea. And I will also be sharing with you the organizer that I use to organize my washi tapes, as well as some ideas of how you can organize your washi tapes. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss any of the following videos. And now let's go on to the video. With the washi tape swatches, it's easier for you to show them to your friends, or you guys might have similar or the same washi tapes, and this way you can exchange them or share with each other. Also, with these swatches, you can know which designs you have and which ones you don't, as well as which colors you need and which ones you don't need. For example, I need light blue. Moving on, you can also make a washi tape section in your bullet journal and title it Washi Tapes of 2020 and place all of the ones you were gifted or bought throughout 2020. Colors and designs are a lot more visible on a notebook. This way you can clearly see the design as well as know which ones will look cute on a homework, an assignment, or etc. With this, you can also come up with color combinations. For example, if you have an orange and yellow washi tape, you can combine these two colors and decorate your homework, a bullet journal, or your notes. Well guys, these are just some of my ideas or reasons why having washi tape swatches on a notebook is ideal. But if you guys have other ideas, feel free to share them with us by commenting down below. To organize our washi tapes, we can also use this type of organizers, which are somewhat flat and transparent so you can still see all of the washi tapes from outside. I've had this organizer for a long time. Actually, I have it in one of my videos, exactly the room tour video. So if you guys want to go watch that video, I'll leave a link in the description box. When I went to the store to buy this organizer, I realized that this organizer only has 4 cubes or 4 compartments. So for example guys, if you need one of the washi tapes from the bottom cube, then you can just take away the top compartment or the top cube. I also saw that there are some other organizers that are super cute and are bigger than this one. The only thing that I didn't like about that big organizer is that it has 8 cubes or 8 compartments. So if you need one washi tape from the bottom compartment, then you need to remove all the 7 compartments from the top. In the end, I decided to buy this one, and as you guys can see, I don't have a lot of washis, plus this one is super handy. Since, for example, if we need a green washi tape to decorate our notes, then we can just take the cube or the compartment with the green washi tapes instead of having to take all of the entire organizer. And as I said in the previous video, what if once the quarantine is over, we go to the store where I usually buy all of my washis and where I bought this organizer, so I can show you the other organizers that the store has. And lastly, you can organize your washis by color. Honestly, I like this way better because it looks well organized and clean, but you can also organize them by design. For example, all of the ones with polka dots in a row, and all of the ones with lines in another, and all of the ones with glitter in another row. But both ways your washi tapes will look super cute. Alright guys, and this was it for today's idea. I hope you liked it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss any of the following videos. And see you on the following video. Bye guys!